Hi all, welcome. In this video, we're gonna learn about coupon code configuration. Like how many digits coupon code contain, either we need to use the hyphen in between the coupon code or not. So for that, just navigate to merchant tools. Inside the merchant tools, just navigate to site preference. Just scroll down so you can see coupons. Just click on it. So once dashboard load, you can see couple of configuration options. Here you can see if you want to include the vowels, you just need to select yes. By default, it's yes. If you don't want, you can select no. If you want to include dash, you can select yes. Otherwise, no. The only special characters allowed in Commerce Cloud is dash. We can't use any other special character in between a coupon code. Now here you can see we can also add a coupon code length. It's ignoring a dash, so we can set max 20 and minimum 10. So you can play with that if you want. And here you can see the format example, whatever format you select. Based on that, you can see the reflection just below. So once you're done with your configuration, just click on apply. So yeah, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.